Imagine a world where the secret to youthful, glowing skin has been hiding in a snail's trail. Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you that this slimy little secretion is packed with powerful molecules that hydrate, repair, and even help fight aging? Yes, today we're diving into the science of SNAIL MUCIN, the mysterious, gooey substance that has taken the skincare world by storm. But here's the real question. Does it actually work, or is it just another skincare gimmick? And if it does work, what's happening on a molecular level that makes it so effective? What are the hidden secrets of SNAIL MUCIN that most skincare brands won't tell you? Stay with me because we're breaking down the chemistry, the myths, the best and worst ingredient pairings, and even the future of SNAIL MUCIN in skincare. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at a snail the same way again. Alright, let's start with the basics. What exactly is SNAIL MUCIN? SNAIL MUCIN, also called snail secretion filtrate, is a slimy, bioactive liquid that snails naturally produce. In nature, they use it to protect their soft bodies, help them glide over rough surfaces, and even heal themselves when injured. But in skincare, it's a powerhouse of incredible molecules that work together to transform your skin. Now, let's break down what's inside this magical goo and how it works. First up, we have hyaluronic acid and glycosaminoglycans. These are hydration superstars. Their job? To bind water to your skin and create a moisture barrier that keeps your skin plump and dewy. Think of them like little water magnets, pulling hydration deep into your skin layers. Then, there are peptides and glycoproteins. These are like tiny messengers that signal your skin cells to repair and regenerate. When applied, they stimulate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen and elastin. The result? Firmer, bouncier skin and reduced fine lines. Next, we have glycolic acid, a gentle alpha-hydroxy acid. This acts as a mild exfoliant, speeding up skin cell turnover and helping to fade dark spots, acne scars, and dullness. And we can't forget about zinc and copper peptides. These minerals play a critical role in wound healing and reducing inflammation, which makes SNAIL MUCIN a great ingredient for acne-prone or sensitive skin. Finally, chondroitin sulfate and antioxidants like superoxide dismutase and glutathione help protect your skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. So, we've got hydration, repair, exfoliation, and protection, all from one ingredient. No wonder SNAIL MUCIN has become a skincare superstar. How does SNAIL MUCIN actually work on your skin? Okay, now that we know what's inside, let's talk about how it actually works. The first thing SNAIL MUCIN does when you apply it to your skin is form a thin, hydrating film. This traps moisture and prevents water loss, which is essential for keeping your skin barrier strong. But the real magic happens underneath. Once absorbed, glycosaminoglycans penetrate the skin and activate your skin's natural hyaluronic acid production. This helps retain moisture at a much deeper level. Meanwhile, the peptides in mucin send signals to fibroblasts, triggering the production of fresh collagen and elastin. Over time, this strengthens the skin structure, making it look firmer and more youthful. Glycolic acid kicks in as well, gently dissolving dead skin cells and encouraging new ones to come to the surface. This leads to brighter, more even skin. And finally, the zinc and copper peptides work behind the scenes to reduce redness and inflammation, especially if you're dealing with acne, rosacea, or post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. The result? Hydrated, smoother, healthier-looking skin with better elasticity and a stronger protective barrier. But wait, what are the drawbacks? Now, before we all start bathing in SNAIL MUCIN, let's talk about some of the limitations and challenges of using it in skincare. First, there's the issue of product consistency. Not all SNAIL MUCIN is created equal. The concentration of active molecules can vary depending on how the mucin is extracted and processed. Some brands use high-quality, carefully filtered mucin, while others dilute it with fillers, making it less effective. Then, there's the question of stability. Because it's a biologically active substance, SNAIL MUCIN needs preservatives to keep it from breaking down in your skincare products. Without the right formulation, it might lose its potency before you even get the benefits. And let's not forget allergic reactions. While rare, some people experience irritation or breakouts from snail mucin, especially if they have very sensitive or fungal acne-prone skin. Also, if you're vegan or prefer cruelty-free skincare, snail mucin might not be for you. While some brands use ethical extraction methods where snails are not harmed, it's still an animal-derived ingredient. So, while snail mucin has amazing benefits, it's not a one-size-fits-all miracle solution. Before we get into the best ingredient pairings and which ones to avoid, if you're enjoying this deep dive into the science of skincare, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more chemistry-backed beauty breakdowns. I love bringing you the real science behind skincare, so let's keep this knowledge flowing. What should you pair with snail mucin? And what should you avoid? The good news is that snail mucin plays really well with most ingredients, but there are some that supercharge its effects and others that you should never mix with it. Best pairings? Snail mucin works beautifully with hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, Centella asiatica, ceramides, and peptides. These all boost hydration, repair the skin barrier, and enhance snail mucin's healing properties. But be careful with strong acids like high concentrations of AHAs, BHAs, or even vitamin C, benzoyl peroxide, and retinoids. These can degrade the active proteins and peptides in snail mucin, reducing its effectiveness. And if you have fungal acne, avoid heavy oils or occlusive ingredients combined with snail mucin, as it may feed Malassezia, the yeast responsible for fungal breakouts. Fun science facts about snail mucin. Did you know that snails can regenerate damaged shells thanks to mucin's wound healing properties? It's essentially their built-in repair system. Or that ancient Greek physicians, including Hippocrates, used crushed snails mixed with sour milk to treat wounds and inflammation? Snail mucin isn't just a modern skincare trend. It's been healing skin for thousands of years. The future of snail mucin in skincare, scientists are now working on synthetic, lab-grown versions of snail mucin to make it even more effective and more ethical. There's also research into nano-encapsulated snail mucin for better skin penetration, making it more bioavailable and stable. And who knows? In the future, we might see bioprinted mucin-based wound dressings for medical applications. So, what do you think? Are you a believer in the power of snail mucin, or do you think it's just another hyped-up trend? Let me know in the comments. And if you loved this deep dive into skincare science, don't forget to subscribe for more myth-busting, chemistry-backed beauty content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.